Hey guys, welcome to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. We're back again to do a part 2 of the bar that we did last night, where we talked about how we're doing the bottle caps. So we've actually finished the bottle caps, and then I also finished the bar molding, nailing the bar molding on, making sure that that was all going to fit perfect with the bottle caps, because I'm going to put a clear coat over this next to make sure that the bottle caps are all encased in a clear coat, which I showed you in the first video. So one of the things I wanted to kind of also talk to you about is everybody talks about stains. You don't always have to use a stain to put some nice color in your wood. So basically what I'm doing here is I've got some bare white paint that I actually have sitting in my garage, and I'm going to whitewash this because I wanted to make this look like whitewash. So basically I'm just putting a little bit at a time, and I'm just rubbing it into the oak and just letting it soak it in. And then after this, what I'll do is once it dries, I'll put a clear coat on it, and it'll be just like stain, actually even better sometimes. So I wanted you guys to know that you don't always have to go to the store and buy a stain to make your wood nice and beautified like a stain would. Now again, I'm making this a whitewash because we have a white bar, and it kind of mixes in with our front room the way that we've got it laid out. I did a video on the floor. I showed it to you guys before. We did the fireplace, now the mantle, the wall, and finished up with the bar. So you can kind of see now what the finished product is with the bar, of how it's going to look. This is what it's looking with the stain. This is what it looked like before the stain. I just finished nailing this on. So I wanted to show you guys. Now, just so you guys know, the materials it took for me to put this bar together was roughly around $400. For someone to come in and build this bar, you're probably looking at around $2,000 to $2,500. So you do the math, you know what's cheaper and what's not, and it's not as hard as everybody thinks to make a bar. There's a lot of videos out there that kind of shows the bones of it. I'm showing you mine, and I kind of went through some details of how I put mine together. But if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and bring them up, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of them for you. All right? So stay tuned. We're going to do part 3 and do the clear coat on the top. All right? So you guys have a great day. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.